3 months ago, I had zero clue how to make even $1 in my sleep. Passive income sounded like a scam to me. But now I'm pulling in around $3,500 a month passively, just by selling simple digital products made with free AI tools. No magic, no ads, no tech headaches. Hi, I'm Matthew. I help businesses make more money while working less using AI automation and a tiny bit of caffeine-fueled strategy. But here's the twist. Since 2019, I was the guy building AI systems for others and somehow forgot to make money for myself using them. In this video, I'll show you 3 crazy powerful AI tools you can use right now with no money, no experience, and definitely no tech degree to start making passive income in a matter of weeks. AI tool number 1, ChatGPT for content creation. Kicking off our list is ChatGPT. You've probably heard of it. Maybe it's already your favorite chat buddy. But did you know people are using it to make real money online every single day? Now let's talk about writing services. On platforms like Fiverr, one of the most in-demand services is content writing. Clients need blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, even full eBooks. With ChatGPT, you don't have to write everything from scratch. Describe the topic, the style, and let it do the heavy lifting. You'll still want to polish and personalize it, but it saves hours of effort. So here's the strategy. Set up a profile on Fiverr, create some polished sample pieces using ChatGPT, and start promoting your service in relevant communities like Reddit or Twitter. As your portfolio grows, so will your income. You can also turn this into a passive income stream. Here's how. Use ChatGPT to create digital products like eBooks, checklists, or even mini courses. Once you've made them, people can download them over and over again without you lifting a finger. There are even teenagers pulling in 6 figures doing this. It's all about using the right tools the right way. AI tool number 2, Leonardo AI for visual art. This one is for the art lovers. If you've ever dreamed of making money from your creativity, now's the time. People are earning serious income online by selling digital artwork without ever picking up a paintbrush. We're talking about printable wall art, digital stickers or t-shirt graphics, and they're selling like crazy on e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Creative Fabrica, and Gumroad. These are downloadable files. You create it once and it sells over and over again. No inventory, no shipping, no customer support. One of the best free AI tools for creating this kind of art is Leonardo AI. It's revolutionizing how digital art is made. You just type a short prompt like, a watercolor illustration of a red fox sitting in a misty forest. And boom, you've got stunning sellable images in seconds. Here's a real-life example. Meet Maypak, a creative entrepreneur who turned her passion for art into $1 million business, selling digital illustrations and printable designs. In just 2 years, her digital art shop generated over $1 million, and today her net worth is $6 million. She started from scratch, and if she could do it, so can you. AI tool number 3, Canva Magic for digital products. So far, we've covered content and art, but what if you could blend both worlds to create high-demand digital products? This powerful combo opens the door to building products like website templates, digital planners and calendars, business card layouts, resumes, and social media template packs. To make these beautiful digital tools, enter Canva Magic, a free AI tool inside Canva that helps you create polished designs with just a few prompts. Type something like minimalist pink weekly planner, and Canva Magic Studio will generate a clean, editable template in seconds. With Canva's AI, you can build a digital product catalog that sells on autopilot. No shipping, no customer service, just passive income. Here's a success story. Vanessa Ryan started designing planners and printable templates using Canva. She uploaded her products to Etsy and gradually built a loyal customer base. Today, her digital product shop earns over $100,000 a year, entirely passively. If she did it with free tools, why can't you? So there you have it. Here's what we covered. ChatGPT for content, Leonardo AI for visuals, and Canva Magic for complete digital products. With these three tools, you can start building passive income streams today. So which tool are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for weekly tips on making money with AI. Take care and have an amazing week ahead.